Morning everyone, class 11, subject business study. So today topic types of preference shares. Okay, so in last class we had discussed the concept of equity share and concept of preference share. So today we will going to start point number first, cumulative preference share. Point first, cumulative preference shares. Okay, cumulative preference shares. So these shareholders retain a right regarding dividend if a company not paid a dividend in a current year. If a company not paid a dividend in current year, so these dividend amount cumulative in this situation. So preference share which carry the right to accumulate unpaid dividend in future years. So it carry to right accumulate the dividends in the future years. If a company not paid, yeah, in case same amount is not paid in current year, if same amount of dividend is not paid in current year. So cumulative preference share hold a right to accumulate dividend in future years. Next, non-cumulative preference share. Second point, non-cumulative preference share. So company not paid a dividend current year, so no right to call a dividend in a future year. If the company does not declare dividend for any year, if a company does not declare any dividend in current year, if a company does not declare any dividend in current year, so right of dividend of such shareholder in respect of that year will be lost. So no right available, no right available to these shareholders. Clear? Point number second. Next point, point number third, participating preference share. Participating preference share. So these shareholders are granted to right participate in surplus profit. So these preference shareholders are granted these preference shareholders granted to right participate in surplus profit. In surplus profit. Clear? So participating preference share, and second in this series non-participate preference share. Non-participative preference share. So these preference shareholders are not right to participate in surplus profit. So these shareholders not right to participate in surplus profit. Here, so point number first, cumulative preference share, it carry to right accumulate the dividend in future year if same amount of dividend is not paid in current year. So this amount of dividend transfer to next year in case of cumulative preference share. Second, non-cumulative preference share. So it is temporary, not right available to reserve dividend. So if a company does not declare any dividend in current year, so no right to available to the shareholder in future years. Next point, participative preference share. These shareholders granted to right participate in additional profit oblique surplus profit. And next, non-participative preference share. Next, fifth point, convertible preference share. So these shares are converted into equity share. Convertible preference share, point number fifth. Convertible preference share. These shares are convertible into equity shares. So convertible preference shares are easily converted into equity share and available to this right. So a specified period of time is given for converting into equity share. Next point, non-convertible preference share. Last point, non-convertible preference shares. So this name is already clear. These shares are not convertible into equity share. So these shares are not convertible into equity share. Yeah, no right available to equity share preference share holder. To 6 point and include types of preference share. Point number first, cumulative preference share. Okay. Second point, non-cumulative preference share. Third, participating preference share. Fourth, non-participative preference share, and point number 5th, convertible preference share, and last point is non-convertible preference share. So types of preference share. Okay.